Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the issue and preparing tools. First, power down and disconnect the monitor. This prevents damage. Next, inspect the screen at different angles and lighting to locate the black spot precisely so you know if it is dead pixels, pressure damage, or a stuck subpixel. Once located, gently clean surrounding bezel and glass with microfiber and isopropyl. Avoid liquids entering seams. Prepare a soft-tipped probe and a massaging method for the next step. Keep warranty papers ready in case you need service. Now perform targeted fixes based on cause. For stuck subpixels, apply gentle pressure using a soft-tipped probe over the spot while the screen displays a white image. Massage in small circles for 10-20 seconds, then rest and check. For dead pixels, use a pixel fix program that cycles colors for several minutes and combine with short pressure attempts if safe. For pressure damage, avoid further pressure and plan for panel replacement. Throughout, monitor temperature and avoid prolonged force. Document each attempt so you can report accurate. Finish by verifying the repair and preventing recurrence. After treatments, run a full-screen color test and leave the monitor on for 30-60 minutes while observing the spot. Ensure the ambient light and angle are consistent. If the spot improves, perform repeated cycles and gentle checks over 24 hours. If unchanged, prepare for panel replacement or professional repair. Note serial, model, and when damage appeared. One troubleshooting tip: if the spot changes size with pressure, stop and seek service immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.